Are you seeking marketing services that will boost ROI and enhance your bottom line? Turn to the best-in-class marketing experts at Bridge Marketing. At Bridge Marketing, we offer a complete suite of marketing automation technology services, multi-channel marketing data, and premium agency marketing solutions. Bridge Marketing's experts will get the job done right, from customer acquisition and retention to lead generation, reactivation, branding, and beyond. Whether you're a Fortune 500 company or a small startup, we have the experience and the marketing automation technology that you need in order to succeed. And it all comes on a streamlined cloud platform. Bridge Marketing is your source for comprehensive consumer data, from mailing addresses to email databases and everything else you need for a perfectly targeted marketing campaign. Bridge Marketing offers you premium full-service marketing services, including target audience analysis, campaign strategy development, deployment, customer acquisition marketing, campaign optimization, and more. When you partner with Bridge Marketing, you'll receive the white glove treatment. Visit bridgemarketing.com. That's www.bridgemarketing.com and discover what we can do for you.